Here we got a candy pack from Tokyo, Japan. With this candy pack you can create your own Pokeball, filled with a Pikatchu and Meowth figure. Everything will be made of dark and white chocolate. We gonna show you how to assemble and prepare everything in the step-by-step video tutorial. So let's just enjoy and watch this creative and innovative Japanese candy getting created. The packaging is really colorful and lovely made. We are having a close look at it first. Finally, let us open it and get everything out. Here we got all the contents of this pack. We are putting the chocolate in separate glasses. Now we have to melt it in the microwave. We put the white chocolate in the round shape form. Now we gonna put the dark chocolate in the Pokemon and Meowth shape form. The rest of the dark chocolate will go to the other round form. The chocolate has to cool down. We are letting it rest in the freezer for a few hours. We are almost done. Take the forms out of the freezer when they are cold. Press the chocolate out of its form carefully. We are putting the cookie crumbles into the Pokeball. Now put the Pikatchu and Meowth in and close the ball. We are done. Now we can open the Pokeball, reveal the content, and eat everything. Feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks everyone for watching. Feel free to subscribe to see daily more unboxing and review videos. Have a great day. Thanks guys.